I'm Pierre Pienaar, the President of the World Packaging Organization, and I'm here to let all those folk involved in packaging in Indonesia and the surrounding countries, to let them know that the World Packaging Organization board meetings will take place in Bali, Indonesia at Nusa from the 4th to the 8th of November. Along with this, during that week we'll have various events of an international global conference, and this will be an exciting time because we will have numerous international speakers talking about the challenges and the trends that affect each one of us. Along with that, we'll also have the packaging technology course that will be run from the 31st of October to the 2nd of November. We look forward to meeting you there and meet the board of 58 member countries. See you there.